Hello kids, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Let's draw a cute lollipop in easy way. Take a paper and a marker and try to draw with me. It looks so cute. Kids, do you like lollipop? I like lollipop very much and I love to draw. I am drawing it in easy way. Try to draw and learn with me. Now let's make its outline darker. Now let's fill beautiful colors in lollipop. Pink color, for more videos, like my video and subscribe my channel. You will find more interesting drawing videos in easy way. I am filling pink color in lollipop. Blue color. Now I am filling blue color, yellow color. After coloring, lollipop drawing will be finished. It looks so cute after coloring. I hope kids you enjoyed this beautiful drawing tutorial. It's done. Okay kids. Take care and see you again in next video.